No man is an island, no man stand alone. Let me tell you this. All I want to write and comment and share up and work out is when I come off at the end of the next line, me have to sort out my life. You see, all who a bash me, a dash me, and a splash me, hear this now. Me and Dewey is no longer together. Dewey say he does not want to be with me because this is not for him. So now I'm free, single, and disengaged. So all who did a pray feet, a plan feet, and a wait feet, so no get it here now. So me is on the move. One man against the fucking world. Me free, single, and disengaged. I get what I want and that me did want. But me have to deal with it. Because me now get up. War with nobody for stay with me, or war with nobody for love me, or war with nobody for honor me and for appreciate what I do for them. So peace out the way the queen has spoken. The ball will start. Wake up, queen. You remember the dream where you get wake up bears? It's a different woman, you know. Me now use a shame face and shake the cock up and all who sit down with a plan for me and do it live forever. It no work out because him just tell me say this is not for him and you don't want to be in it. So listen, me now hide, me now slide and me now glide. Me I telling you as it is. I'm free, single and disengaged. Me and doing not together. So me I do me. Me is one man against the world. Me go up on Jamaica, go to Jamaica for 2 weeks holiday and do it one.